Hello YouTube and welcome back to Let's Talk Stocks. So today I wanted to go through my top 5 investing books that got me into investing, that made me change my mindset about money, and it really started my investing journey for me. So as you can see, this is my bookshelf. I've got a complete different selection of books, from the stock market through to property, through to just the general mindset. So I'm going to pick out my top 5. So if you want to start getting into investing and changing your mindset and the way you think about money, here's my top 5. So my number 1 has to be The Compound Effect, purely because this is the first book I ever read on investing and mindset shift. This was actually found in a village nearby where I live, in an old telephone box that had been converted into a library. So interesting backstory. It was the first book I ever read, like I said, and it really changed my outlook on saving and investing. So that is by far my favourite book. Over to my pick number 2. This is more about mindset and kind of changing your whole life to kind of declutter, anything from sort of decluttering your mind to decluttering your house, and just kind of like changing your whole sort of lifestyle and your outlook on life. So it's a very sort of general book about changing everything within your life and how you look at things. Down to number 3, The Automatic Millionaire. This is basically saying how to automate your savings. So to set up standing orders and to set up regular auto invest features and things like that. So it's very good. It kind of takes the emotion out of saving and investing. So again, very good book. Number 4, How to Own the World. This is basically how to be diversified. So it's kind of covers a bit of everything. It's a bit anti-property, but it kind of covers everything else. It covers sort of gold and precious metals and index funds to individual stocks. So a bit of everything really, basically all things investing. So that's another very, very solid book. And then last but not least, number 5, I feel like this has got to be in everyone's top 5 just because it is such a popular book. It's a very, very good book, and it is more focused around property investing. So compared to the other 5 books, which are sort of more pushed towards stocks, it's a very good book to kind of diversify your way of thinking and to show you more options. Let me know what your favourite book is in the comments. Thanks again for watching.